Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is basically part of the box. And otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the top this SIM tray. And part of the SIM tray is also a small hole in there. And with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole and press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. And yeah, on the first position you will have always the SIM card, and on the second position you are able now to enter a micro SD card, and it has to look like this, and the connects are below. And that construction you put back into the phone like this. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.